Hi, welcome to my video on the powers of 1. Powers or exponents of 1. Power of 1. 1 squared is 1 times 1, which is 1. 1 cubed is 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. 1 to the 4th power is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 1 to the 0 power is 1. Any number to the 0 power is 1 except 0. What about 1 to the half? Well, let's check with our calculator. 1 to the 1/2. Turn it on, and we got 1 power button, and I'm going to put the 1/2 in brackets. 1 division 2 in a bracket. Notice I have a bracket around the half. That means it's raised to that power, and I get a 1. I could also say 1/2 is 0.5. So if I raise it to decimal 5, which is a half, I still get 1. And if you want, 1 to decimal 0.6, 1. Again, this is my power button, the arrow, right there on this calculator. The Texas Instrument is a very, very good calculator. Matter of fact, this calculator I have here, the batteries on this one are 8 years old. And I continually use it. This is one of the better calculators that I like. I have a graphing calculator, but I don't want to bring that out. And I'm going to raise it to the 0.6 or 36, and I get a 1. And the ultimate, I'll do that one. I'm sorry, that's a 1, and that's a 1. What about to the square root? 1 raised to the square root of 2. Let's try that. Clear it. 1 power button. I'm going to do the square root of 2. There's the square root. There's the 2. So the brackets are in here to indicate that's the square root of 2 right there. And so that's 1 to the square root of 2, and I get a 1. So 1 to any power, no matter what it is 1. So if you take 1 to the 4,000, you get a 1. If you take 1 to the negative 2, and you don't even automatically 1 power button negative 2, and I get a 1. So 1 to any power is 1. The rule, 1 to the m is 1. Examples. Let's pause the video. Oh, I'm working these out, so that's okay. 1 to the 6th is 1. 1 to the 8th is 1. 1 to the 12 divided by 6 is 2. But that's still a 1. No matter what this is a 1. 1 to the 1/5 is a 1. 1 to the negative 3 is a 1. That's a 1 plus 1, which is 2. And that's, let's see what that is. That's a 9 minus 8, which is root 16 is a 4. So that's a 1 to the 4th power, and the answer is 1. As long as this inside of this bracket is a 1, the 1 to any power is 1. What about 1 to pi? Let's try that one. Pi is 3.14. So click 1 raised to the pi. Pi on my calculator is right there. So here's pi. 1 to the pi. 1. 1 to any number is 1. Practice. Pause your video. Work these out and play it back to see if you're right. 1 to the 9 is 1. 1 to the decimal 0.101 is 1. 1 to the 4/5 is 1. 1 to the root 3 is 1. 1 to the negative 2, 1. And this is 7. 1 to the 8th is 1. And 7 times 1 is 7. So notice we've got to simplify these now. So we're going to simplify, we do PEMDAS. Remember that, order of operations. So we have to do the inside of our brackets first. So that's 1, 18. Do the inside of your bracket first. Then we got that done. We have to do our power. So 1 to the 18 is 1. So that's done. Now we'll do a division. But before we do division, we'll change our mixed numeral to an improper fraction. 1 times 4 plus 3 is 7 over 4. And 1 divided by 7 over 4 is 1 times 4 over 7. We multiply by the reciprocal. And 1 times 4 over 7 gives me 4 over 7. And number 8, no matter what this is, raise, if this is a, let's see if it's a 1. We have to work this out now. Let's see, we have to work, the square brackets is the same as, so mixed numeral will be improper fractions. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3 times 3 over 7. Notice we're multiplying. We get 21 over 21, which is 1. We can cancel. And when we multiply fractions, we cancel anywhere from top to bottom. 7 to 7 goes once. 3 into 3 goes once. And that's 1 on the inside there. To the x power. 1 to any power is 1. So don't forget, if you take 1 and raise it to any power, no matter what the power is, you'll get a 1. Nice to know. If you like my video, click on the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell. If you want to write a comment, go ahead. And if you want to visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, there you get information about me. That's my degrees and teaching experience. Section on video has the type of teaching strategies you're going to use to help you learn your math. And the section on content gives you the topics or the units that I have on my YouTube channel. Gives you the number of videos on each topic. And the black font is what's online already. And in red font is what will be online in the near future. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.